What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, guys. I'm just gonna go ahead and tell you we're doing a little doing something a little different today. And you're probably asking yourself, Caleb, why in the hell do you have a Chevrolet truck on your channel? Well, you're about to find out why. If you caught the upload a little while back, which stopped out at Moe's Speed Shop in Dallas, Georgia, they have all kinds of ridiculous builds, and they had one very special that they wanted me to check out. And again, you're asking me, why are we looking at a Chevy truck? Well, let's find out. So I've got Jeffrey here, and he's, you know, main man over at Moe's Speed Shop, and
I'm just the guy that works in the back.
But Jeff, I mean, tell me about this truck, dude. This thing is sick.
We purchased this from a friend of ours, or actually he became a friend of ours after we purchased it, and we thought about doing an LS in it, but we've done so many LS swaps that we want to do something a little different, and we like the drivability and the power of the modular 5-liter engine.
So you did something a little different.
Yeah, you don't learn anything by doing the same thing over and over and over again. And who wants to put something in there that you can buy all the parts for? We need something that's a little different. So
and you did it.
Yeah, we really enjoyed it. And I built it for Marty to drive every single day. So this is going to be his new daily driver, you know, back and forth to work. So
that is unreal. All right, so I'm sure there's a million people wondering, number one, was it hard to do this?
This is not a bad swap. If you have, you don't have to have a real big skill set to, motor mounts are your biggest obstacle.
Sure,
The factory manifolds do work. It's really not a whole lot of fabrication. The biggest thing was the wiring. I didn't do, didn't buy a wiring kit. I took the factory one and made my own.
Gotcha.
So, that's probably the hardest part of it, but there are people out there, power by the hour, I guess they make harnesses and stuff for these, so you could actually buy it and do it. And the truck runs so well and does everything so well that it's to me, personally, I like it a lot better than the LS. So,
right. Just cruise down the road, getting what, 25 miles a gallon.
Yeah, it does. It's hard to do that when you got your foot in it. All
yeah,
the time,
yeah.
It's so much fun
doing
to drive.
Burnouts constantly.
Yeah, it's a lot of fun. It's a whole lot of fun.
So we've got air conditioning.
Yes.
We have power steering.
Yes.
The power steering is a little bit different on this
the
truck.
power steering on this one is actually not power steering. It's a electrical assist. So all the steering on this is done electronically. So it actually has a motor that actually turns the steering.
Wow.
It made it a little easier and a little tighter to group everything together.
Yeah. The
air conditioning is this one has classic auto air on it.
Okay.
And then we looped it into the factory compressor on the Coyote. So the brackets were from the guys at Power by the Hour. So really nice people over there that really helped us out when we got ready to put this together. Just cool guys.
Great guys.
And we did a custom radiator from PRC here in Dallas, Georgia.
Nice.
They made the radiator for us, perfect fit for it. Pretty much everything on it was designed to make it work. The airbox we did save off the Coyote build.
Yeah, that's just stock.
Did the sound tube back into the firewall like you would have on a factory Mustang.
And you got the correct sticker.
Oh,
right
of
there.
course.
I mean, you gotta have that.
Well, you see here, look, it says 5 liters.
Exactly.
I mean, we thought the C and C10 was for Coyote. So
exactly, yeah. You can see, guys, right there. It says 5.0. So there you go. Okay, so obviously you've got a Ford motor and a Chevy truck.
Yes, sir.
And so the response so far from the Chevy guys.
Well, if you like death threats, it works out pretty well. Everybody says, you did this to be, you did this for attention. That's not how we did it. We did this to be cool.
Right.
We're car guys. If between Marty and myself, we have Chevrolets, Chryslers, Fords. We have them all. So we just want to do something a little different. And we love the drivability of the Coyote. It's awesome. It's really awesome.
Right. So yeah, I mean, obviously we're gonna piss some people off here, but you know what?
That's what life's about.
It is. I always say it's better to be pissed off than pissed on, right?
I totally agree with that.
But we're about to take this thing down the road. But I followed you. It probably a good 20 miles, and this thing seriously, it's like like just cruising in a new truck.
It is.
Or,
it is.
you know,
ice cold air conditioning. It's just a lot of fun to drive.
The point of
crazy.
it is, if we didn't open the hood, you wouldn't know that it wasn't
Right.
the
Yeah.
traditional LS
The
swap.
object here is to throw the key to some LS guy and let him take it down the road and be like, "Man, this thing really runs good. What LS did you put in it?"
Yeah.
Well, it's not an LS. So
Speaking of which, we need to just take this truck to LS Fest.
we can
Yeah.
do that.
How much fun would that be?
Well, I think we should do it.
Absolutely.
I think
Okay, I got another road trip on the on the books there.
Yeah, the only giveaway is the Michelle Abbott did our Coyote on the fender
Yeah.
that's painted on, and that kind of gives it away. There's
But
a
that's
Coyote
old school.
there,
I mean,
but-
yeah,
exactly.
It totally goes with the truck,
Yeah.
and the patina is
The
phenomenal.
reason we got this truck, my uncle actually found it. Bill Harris found it for us, and he called us up and said, you need to go check this truck out. And so me and Marty loaded up the dually and trailer and went and picked it up. So, and that's when it all started. And now the guy that we, like I said, we purchased it from, he's one of our good friends now, and very good guy. He wasn't for the Coyote in it originally,
Yeah.
but now he really likes it. So
And Nathan,
Heck yeah.
the fellow who sold it to us, is now doing a LS powered Ford truck.
Yeah.
So we're going to have them together.
We
as a
should have
pair.
them
It's time for a race then too.
yeah, absolutely, absolutely.
I know Nathan will be down for that.
Oh, yeah, definitely, definitely.
All right, so let's see how smooth and quiet the Coyote swap.
We got
Chevy-
good air conditioning. We'll roll the windows down.
Yeah, why not? It's
We don't want all
beautiful.
the smoke
Day.
coming in here when we do burn the tires.
So we've got Dakota digital gauges. Very nice.
Dakota Digitals.
I've got the same in my Coyote swap
I
Fox.
love
mean,
the Dakota Digital stuff. Love it.
amazing. And then this gorgeous TMI upholstery. I mean, jeez. Looks
Yeah, the
great.
cool thing about the TMI stuff is you're not gonna, it's custom interior. You just order it and bolt it in.
Yeah.
So
That's amazing. Headliner,
Yeah.
everything. This is crazy. And it's so quiet. Like, seriously, I can't get over how quiet
yeah, we
this
did
thing
3-inch
is.
exhaust and did a real long Dynamax muffler because he's gonna drive it every day.
Yeah.
And he works in a job where he has to wear a suit and tie, so he has to look the part. So.
Just smooth. And it's a 6R80 transmission.
Oh
so,
yeah,
I mean,
yeah. The transmission is just awesome. They should make a kit to do these trucks because
Yeah.
it really does work really, really well. We're coming over here where if you were with us earlier, we had I was telling you about the doctor.
Yeah.
Yeah, the doctor's house. I'm going to show you. He's building a shop over here. So
Very
take a look at
nice.
that.
Man, it rides great.
Yeah, with the suspension off really good on it. This is the doctor's house.
Oh.
You think we got to stop here and do a little burnout here just to see if he's... I think, every doctor, if they're building a shop, need to have black marks out in front
Yeah,
of their
I agree
shop. I mean, do you
100%.
agree? I mean,
Yeah,
I think so.
100%. Yep. Perfect. So the cool thing again, guys, is this truck, while it is old and what was it, 80 model?
It's a 1980, yes, sir.
1980 model. It runs and drives like a new truck. It's got 400 and God knows how many horsepower, but air, power steering, just, it runs hard. And hopefully stops good.
It's got good brakes, good brakes.
Man, I'm telling you, it's
The
again,
Coyote is very long-winded.
Right.
So.
right. And it's just, just like my Fox body that's got a Coyote in it. It's just, you can't beat it.
It's
You really
effortless to
can't.
drive. It really is. It's effortless to drive.
And then you drop the hammer, and it's
It's
just
all good to go.
Yeah.
And the 6-speed automatic transmission always, it always selects that right gear.
Right. It's in the power van.
And the cool thing is, we're riding around and it's raining and everything's all good. You don't
Yeah.
have to worry about anything getting wet. The patina, you don't have to worry about it.
Exactly.
And if it gets a ding in it, it's all good. It just adds to it.
And you know what? If you tear up the engine, it's not expensive to replace. You're not going to destroy a $5,000 set of heads or a
Exactly.
$1,000 billet cam. Or,
Yeah, exactly.
and a lot of people don't think about that. Or, this crazy custom built transmission and controller that you'd spend 10 grand on.
No, I mean, you could essentially, find somebody like the Parts Farm or, your local salvage yard and get you a Mustang driveline or a truck driveline and
Right.
stick in there and, have a ball.
Plug it right back up and get down the road again.
And anything that revs 7,500 is just cool,
Exactly. All right, guys, so there you go. Love it or hate it. That is the first and probably the only Coyote swapped Chevrolet truck in existence right there. And here's the deal. It rides good, stops good, runs good, makes over 400 horsepower at the tire, and has cold air conditioning. I mean, what is not to love about this truck? So there you go. I love it. I'm a fan. I don't even like Chevrolet trucks, but this one's so cool. I mean, there's no way you couldn't love it. Amazing. So there you go. That is it. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, because I know I'm going to get a lot of thumbs down on this one, but hey, it is what it is. So if you did like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button, and I will catch up with you next time. Later.